Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to the FIS Maths Concepts. This is Shamsa Jabeen and we are solving Cambridge IGCSE Maths Paper 2 Non-calculator May-June 2025 with the code 058022. In this video we will solve question number 4 of this paper. Let's read it. Saima picks one of these cards at random and replaces it. Find the probability that she picked an odd number. So basically here we have a number from 1 to 7 and we need the probability of odd numbers. So let's count the total number of outcome. It will be total possibilities will be total number of outcomes, or n, capital N is basically 7, right? And the number of odd numbers is favorable outcomes. How many favorable outcomes are 1, 3, 5 and 7? So how many number of outcomes are favorable outcomes are 4. So the probability that Saima picked the odd number, so Samira picked the odd number, equals to 4 favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes, 4 by 7, right? Then the next part, Samira repeats this 35 times. Calculate the number of times Samira is expected to pick an odd number. So this whole process is, the selection is 35 times. So the number of times Samira picked odd is, I think, no, I don't choose this one. It will be just multiply, just multiply the probability, that is 4 by 7, with the number of times she repeat the experiment. So you can use it 7 5s are 35 and 5 4s are 20. So 20 times she picked the odd numbers. Then move to the question number 5. Translate triangle T by vector 0, minus 2. So we have the translation means either we move left, we translate left, right, down, this or this, right? We have a translation, straight translation, and we need the translation from 0, means x-axis translation, and this is minus 2 y-axis translation. So in x-axis we don't need anywhere, we just need to move it minus 2 y, right? So I think let me make this, clear it. Okay, so we don't have x-axis translations, right? So it will be y-axis translation. Now in the y-axis we have minus 2, means we need to go down, right? If we have a plus 2, then we need to go plus up, right? For minus we need to go down. So let's take it, let me choose this point, and we need to move 2 times down, 1 and 2. So this point must be here, this one. So that obviously this, if you take this one, this is also 1, 2. So this point is here. I think yes, this one, right? And if we talk about this one, so this is our translation. I will draw a clear picture. Right, this is our translation. Okay, now describe fully single you use the tracing paper for this one. Describe fully the single transformation that maps the T into U. Basically we need to place the T into U. You can use the tracing paper, and for finding that how we will calculate it, you observe that if we rotate it, it will come like this one. Sorry. Right? If we rotate it to the anti-clockwise direction, and if you rotate it in a clockwise direction, yes, it is the same shape. Now if you move it in the clockwise direction, actually I can't draw it because of we don't have right now, I am not using the tracing paper. Its shape will be like this one, right? So it is not like this one, but here this is exactly the same shape, right? So it is clear that we have the rotation by 90 degree. Wait, I should write rotation, and the direction of rotation is anti-clockwise. And how much rotation is 90 degree, right? And also the center, if you guys use the center with the help of tracing paper, you will see that at exactly the 2 center, you can observe it at 0 0 and any other center, you will see that at 2 center it will exactly fit at U, right? So the center must be 2 2. Now solve the question number 6. 8x plus 7 equals to 39. So we don't want basically 7 with, we want the answer for the x, right? So the left hand side we have 7, we don't want it with 8x. So here it is adding, when it go to the other side it will subtract. So 8x equals to 39 minus 7, or you can understand it subtracts minus 7 from both sides. So it will give you the answer 8x equals to 32. And here 8 is multiplying with x, when it moves to the other side it will divide. So we get 32 divided by 8, right? It will give you the answer 4. Now the next question is 2 times 5y minus 1 equals to 24. Again with the y we have 5 minus 1 2, and we want to clear the y, we just want y in the left hand side. So how we will solve it? Here 2 is dividing, so when I move it to the other side it will, 2 is multiplying, when I move it to the other side it will divide. So it will become 5y minus 1 equals to 24 divided by 2, and we can say 5y minus 1 equals to 12. And here minus 1 is subtracting, 1 is subtracting here, when it moves to the other side it will add. So we get 5y equals to 12 plus 1, and we get 5y equals to 13. Again 5 is multiplying here, it moved to the other side, it will divide. So you get y equals to 13 divided by 5, and this is the answer. Hope these questions are clear, students. If you guys have any doubts, you can comment me, and also tell me which next paper you want to discuss. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.